Good morning, children. This is your English teacher Santvana Kotak. Let's start our new chapter, The Little Fig Tree. Do you know what is meaning of fig? Fig is a one kind of tree which are having palm-like leaves. You can see this picture. We also can say it's a kind of a Christmas tree, right? But it is a fig tree, right? So we will start our new chapter. So listen and understand carefully. Say children, whenever you will read, you will understand this chapter very slowly. Always put pen, pencil or your fingertip like this while you will read. Now we will start our new lesson. Shetty. This is a man. This is a magician. His name is Shetty, right? The magical the magician was returning home. He gone somewhere maybe and he is coming back to his home. When all of sudden it began to rain, means on the way while he is coming back from one place to his home, and the rain all of sudden started. It rained heavily. So it rained heavily. Shetty looked around for shaded and saw a pretty little fig tree. He have to protect himself from the heavy rain. It's rain like anything, and he will, if get wet, he will definitely feel cold. So he is just finding and searching from anywhere some shade if he could get. See, he ran toward it as fast as he could. He saw something. What he saw? A little fig tree. So he saw that, and he just ran there to get some shade and to protect himself from the rain. So you can see this, na? This is the tree, this is the magician. Soon the rain stopped. After some time, when the cloud showered the water, the rain, it stopped. Shetty was happy that he did not get wet because this fig tree, protected himself and the magician also from the rain. Okay, are you getting now? Thank you. He thanked to this tree and said, thank you to protect me from this heavy rain. If he could not, then he will wet, and if he will wet, he will get the cold, fever and all other disease. So he thanked to this tree that you save me, you protect me from the rain. Thank you. You have been kind to me. You did mercy, you kind to me, that you protect me from this heavy rain. Otherwise I will get cold, I will get fever. If I will get wet, my clothes will be wet. I would like to reward you. Now in return, this magician is telling to this tree, I want to give you some gift, I want to give you some reward. Reward means a gift. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant them, said the magician. So he is a magician. He can make the wish of anybody and it is the fulfill. So he is telling to the tree, you can ask me 4 wish. Just like an Aladdin also wants to have the wish from genie. Okay, so he is telling you can ask any 4 wishes and I will that fulfill it. Now he is telling that you have to take any 4 wishes and I will make it wish. The sad fig tree had leaves like needle. So then The tree is saying to that magician that my leaves are like needle, means very pointed. Okay, pointed leaves. So the leaves is having the pointed, no birds. See, the no bird even made their nest on it. As you can see, these leaves are pointed like this. Okay, like a nib or a tip of the pen or pencil, it is pointed, it is also pointed. So he is telling, the tree is telling to the magician that no birds are making any nest on it. So it said, I wish I had green leaves like my other friends. Other friend, you can see here, see, other friends. This may be the mango tree or some other fruit tree. So he is wishing, the tree is wishing that if I also can having the leaf like my other friends, these are the friends, okay, of this fig tree. So he is telling, if I will get some